Learn stock groups and stock items. With this, you will get organized category-wise reports. It saves time and makes your business decision much easier and smarter. Hi friends, today let us learn about stock group and stock items. Watch the video till the end. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to organize your inventory inside Tally Prime. So your stock reports are clean, easy to read and useful for any business. Before that, let me quickly explain what is stock group and what is stock item. Now let us understand what is a stock group. Think of stock group as a categories or a folder for your products. For example, if you run an electronic shop, your stock groups could be mobile phones, accessories, tablets and laptops. And inside each group you will have individual products. Those individual products are called stock items. For example, under the group mobile phones, your stock item could be iPhone, Samsung and OnePlus. You got it now? Now you can see it in the chart wise. These are the groups which is mentioned in the red color. And these are the items under these groups. See, under the mobile phone group, iPhone, OnePlus and Samsung will be there. And accessory group, items are pen drive and covers. You got it? Okay, then why do stock groups matters and why do we create stock groups? You might ask, why do we create stock groups? Can't we just add all the items directly? Yes, you can add, no problem. But if you have lot of problems and if you don't have stock groups, it will create a lot of confusion and it will be messy. So with the groups, you get organized category wise reports. You can see total stocks and total value for each and every category, and it saves time, makes your business decision much easier and smarter. You got it now? Alright, now let us get into the practicals. Let us go to create, press enter, go to stock group, press enter. Here I will type mobile phones. Press enter. Here this is the parent group mobile phones. So let us keep it as primary under. Press enter. Should quantities of items be added? Make it yes. It will add up all the quantities in the group. Press enter. Press enter to accept. Now we have created one group. Now let us create another group. Accessories. Press enter. Press enter. Let it be primary because accessories is the parent group. Press enter. Should quantities of items be added? Make it yes. Press enter. Press enter to accept. Now we have created two stock groups. Now let us go back by pressing escape key. Now go to stock item, press enter. Let us create some stock items here. Type Samsung Galaxy S24. Press enter. This is the item name which appears in your stock report. And here under you select proper group. Mobile phone is the proper group here. Select mobile phone. Press enter. Select unit here. Unit numbers you select. Press enter. Let it be as it is. Let us discuss it in the GST module video. Press enter. Press enter. Here opening balance, what all the stock Samsung Galaxy you have to enter it. Let me enter 10 quantity is with me. Rate, purchase rate you have to enter here. I'll enter 75,000 each. So press enter. Press enter to accept. Now let us create one more item. iPhone 15. Press enter. Here you select the proper group here, mobile phones, and select the units as numbers. Let it be as it is. Press enter. Press enter. Here what's the quantity you have to enter. I'll enter 5. Here purchase rate we have to enter. Press enter. Press enter to accept. Now let us create one more item. Cover. Press enter. Select the proper group here, accessories. Press enter. Select numbers as units. Let it be as it is. Come down. Here I'll select 5. And here purchase rate I'll enter 2500. Press enter. Press enter to accept. Now we have created 3 items around the 2 groups. Now let us go back by pressing escape key. Come back to gateway of Tally. Here let us go to stock summary. Here is the stock summary. Press enter. We will get the stock summary report. See here, group wise we will get accessories and mobiles. If you want detail of this any group, keep the cursor on that group and press shift enter. You will get the details. And if you want all the group details, press F12 and come here. Format report. Here you select detailed. Press enter. Press enter. Now you can see details of all the item group. Stock group items. See here, stock group, stock items, all are neat, clean, and quantities it shows, and rate and value. It is clean and clear. Now open Tally. Create 2 or 3 stock groups for your business and add at least 5 stock items for each stock group, and then check the stock summary and share the screenshot in the comment. Before we close, let me tell you the 3 mistakes the most beginners make with the stock setup. Common mistakes are 3. Mistake number 1, skipping the stock groups. Most people do not create stock groups. They will directly add the items under primary. This creates more confusion, and after some time your report will become unreadable and it will be messy. So create stock group first. And mistake number 2, wrong unit of measure. And while you are selecting unit of measure, be sure you select the proper unit of measure. For physical product, use numbers or pieces. For liquids, use liters. For materials, use kgs. And if you select the wrong unit of measure, it will mismatch and the report will also be wrong. And mistake number 3, not entering opening stock. If you have a stock in hand while you are entering in tally, please enter the opening stock. If you skip the opening stock, all your reports will be wrong. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for this channel. In the next video, let us learn about unit of measure and go downs. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.